Portrait Motorized Honeycomb Shades, the safe, dependable, and affordable automation solution for your windows. Imagine coming home and with the touch of a button, your window coverings become alive. The shades in the bedrooms and living rooms gently close for some privacy as you wind down the night. Even on the tallest windows, all it takes is the push of a button. Presenting Motorized Honeycomb Shades, now available in Portrait. For adjusting a single honeycomb shade, a room of shades, or your entire house all at once, the sleek multi-channel remote makes it easy, automatically, quietly, and safely, without the need for pull cords which can pose a danger to pets or children. Your shades can be ordered pre-programmed to one channel so they're ready out of the box, or you can program them yourself however you like. Each of the remote's 15 channels can be programmed to control up to 20 shades for up to 300 shades in all. And thanks to the RF technology that transmits through walls and up to 65 feet away, along with the LCD screen on the controller, you won't even have to get up or stop what you're doing. For even more control, choose the Motorized top-down, bottom-up option, offering high-end dual adjustment at an affordable price. And for an atmospheric touch, the Motorized day and night shade gives you added flexibility in light control and view-through, with a room darkening fabric along with a matching sheer, both adjustable at the touch of a button. The motor is completely hidden inside the headrail, away from view and away from dust exposure, providing quiet and consistent performance that works as good as it looks. In the unlikely event that you don't have access to a remote, each shade has a manual button for adjustment. Portrait's motorized components are designed to work independently from your smart home package. Battery packs power each unit. There's no need for complete hardwiring. The battery pack clips neatly behind the headrail and requires an additional 1 5/16 inch of window depth, or they can be stowed elsewhere with a 21-inch cable. Or choose the AC adapter option, which includes a separate adapter and 59-inch cable for each of the shades, for convenient plug-in operation that works with any electrical outlet. Plus, motorization from Portrait is backed by a 5-year warranty to cover components. Portrait Motorized Honeycomb Shades, a safe, dependable, and affordable motorization solution so quiet and dependable you won't even notice it's there.